God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I am heading out. So yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shaki. I do vlogs, lifestyle beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So not really in the high spirits right now. It's a gloomy day and my belly, my tummy kill me right now. Anyways, so I'm heading to school. I got some Girl Guide cookies to sell today. So yeah, I went to conference on Saturday. Didn't show that, but yeah. So we'll see how today goes. Yeah, it is. Let's see what time now. I think after 5. It's pretty dark. My lights in this room is not that bright, so excuse the dull. Yeah, this don't make no sense. Anyways, so excuse my dull self right now, cause to my light on. Yeah. So yes, guys, I'm not much longer get home. Oh yeah, let's use the computer as a ring light. Alright, so I don't much longer get home. I was at school trying to mark some papers. So they did tri-weeklies last week. Yeah, they did tri-weeklies last week. And I was trying to get some of the papers marked. So I stayed back to get that done. Right now, I'm supposed to be having some heritage thing this week. And it's nothing much. It's just that my grade got Alexander Bustamante. Sorry, Sir Alexander Bustamante. And I'm supposed to do a presentation, like something creative. I'm not that creative, but maybe that's what I can do. A song or a dope or something. So let my sister help me when she gets up. She's getting some rest, so yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and plus I have some lesson plan logs to do, so I'm gonna do that as well. I do my lesson plan and my evaluation them already, so that's also the way. I'm trying to remember what else I have to do. I don't know, but I hope nothing else, because
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more.
Right now. Come on. So, I have some papers to mark, so let's see what that's done. Right now. Oh yes guys, I got this from one of my babies. Hiding here. So it's a to-do list book. So this is what I have to do. Put the name right. So let's check out the name. This is what I have to do for today. So I'm going to mark in the grade 9s right now. And then see how the day goes. I have a meeting that I need to have today. So let's see how that one turns out. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later. And I hope you're not hear me because if I'm on and all of my attack, actually in your empty. Yeah, in your empty. As I would never be doing this. I don't know what shy already. Alright, so I also need to pack the bag because I carry this bag around. I have to carry it home the other day to wash and could already start nasty. White. That's what I want to buy. I'm going to buy a black one off of Shein soon. So I'm going to be packing this little bag. This is what I carry to class. Look at it. Marker them done. They take this one too. It's almost done. So let me show you what's in my bag. What's in my little purse. So in here, so I keep my markers. So right now this is the only good one I have. My duster, keep my markers. So I'm going to put those things from probably left out in 2 years. Actually not the blue one. No, okay, anyways. And then I could show it. And then over on the other side is where I keep like these things. So and so on. Let me have sweetie paper on my bag. You can tell me? I don't know. See. The blue pen I done. This one pen I done. So I have 2 red pen, 2 blue pen, scissors, like one stapler, not the stapler, okay. Stapler remover, tape, something. Glue. And all of them stuff here. So, on the max here. I have quite a few things here. I need to put one next pencil in there. The pencil did it. I need to take out a pencil. Got it. Alright, so that pencil there very good. I'll put a rubber pants. Yeah. Ready for class.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like His lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels.
God, forming 2 ranks from the ranks. Oh, 2 ranks. Right, all right, slow. Good. Left, right, left, right.
I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna try to do some work. So it's like after 4, almost 4:30. Jesus, I said I wanted to leave by 4:30. As in more actually the palm we are go home by 4:30. See what this because I have practice at 5. Yes, I'm going to so never I'm present. So yes, we're gonna close up and leave. See if I can reach home. I'll try. I finished going back my paper then, so yeah. Now try to see if I can do all of that, and then yeah.
Because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Always putting trust up in the Lord. I know he's got his hands on it for sure. I know that he's a cure. In every situation you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid cause you're in the lead. I know that'll never be the same cause you set me free.
Good morning. Alright, morning guys. So I'm at work. Today is what, Jamaica Day? Yeah, well, some heritage so. So I wore my bandana. Yeah. So my hat. Trying to prep for my classes. Trying to prep for my classes. The first class I have is grade 8, so I have a puzzle to give them. I have to bend it. If I'm not bend it, it'll crush it. So it's kind of dull because my printer ain't working properly. Well, full printer now work, and the borrow one like a printing out of the church printer, and like the ink is either finished or it now works good either. I think something is wrong with both of them. I don't know what's wrong, but yeah. And I got my answers right here. May I hope they will understand it because I something about standard form and whatever. So yeah. So I'm going to give them this first, and then I have a like my next individual. So this is going to be quick work because I never have enough to do one each. Yeah. So I have them first thing, them at grade 9. Grade 9 I'm going to substitution thing. So I have that on the phone. I think I need to work out the answers so it's easier for me when I get there. So I'm going to do that in a second. I'll work out the answers on this. And then I have grade 11, and then we have the early lunch, and then the celebration later. Yeah. So no school keeping tomorrow because of that. Happy. I don't know how to happy. Alright, so for this, let me do this one now, Jesus. Did I put it in there? Oh, yeah. Let me look for the papers. What is it for my grade 11 today? I'm going to put this after the now. I'm going to just put all 3 books in the bag, and then this is my logbook. Guys, my logbook, which I haven't written in 2 weeks. So as I'm done with the questions for the grade 9, I'm going to do my logbook. Hopefully I can finish. So yes, I'm gonna get those things done, and then I'll see you guys later. You see, may I try make sure it's talk to may I try vlog, but yeah. I'm also in the process of editing my zoo vlog, so by the time this vlog comes out, the zoo vlog would have already come out. So go ahead and watch that. Hi guys, I look rough. I look tired. Just look weird. Anyways, heading home. No, I'm gonna run to my errands first, and then I'm gonna head home. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so nothing ever cook at my school, but it's me back from other school. Yeah, I bought a can saltfish festival with fritters and me get flattened. Yeah. Morning guys. Morning. So good morning guys. So it is Thursday. It kind of bright up now, and it is like after 6. I'm preparing my breakfast. So I'm this late because today is professional development, so I have to go early. It is 9 o'clock instead of regular school, which is 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna wake up with it. Still asleep. But anyways, I'm preparing my breakfast. I'm gonna be showing you guys in a bit what I'm cooking. Not much. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you that now. So I'm gonna prepare. I'm actually watching something. I have my tea on, and then I have some egg and franks boiling, and I'm watching some YouTube. I'm gonna mix my tea because I'm not sure that's to start whistle, and I'm watching Ray. Yeah, I'm watching student. It's Ray. Yeah. So yes, I'm going to finish doing all of that. Alright guys, so I am ready for work. I was gonna turn up the brightness because my hours just look darkish, but yeah, let me not do that because the sky always look white. Anyway, so yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna head up now. It's like a little bit after 8, I think. Our meeting is 9, so I'm early. Not late, I'm early. So yes. Yeah, sweet. You can imagine, like, look at that. So yes, I'm gonna head to work.
Because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Good morning guys, it is 8 o'clock, and yeah, I'm still in bed. Well, I got up a bit to go iron something for my dad, but I'm back in bed.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
Alright guys, so I have finished cleaning that part, finished cleaning the room, started all of the things that was there. Yeah, I'm happy about that. The room is clean, but I'm gonna be folding my clothes right now while I watch some YouTube. Adeline, yeah, so getting that done. I have quite a long list, so yeah. So yes, I'm hot, by the way. Hot. So I have quite a few things to do. So today is kind of productive. Like, I think I'm just gonna add it to the week's vlog since it's Friday and not Saturday. So yeah, we're gonna make today productive-ish. So yes.